guys, it's Melanie and welcome back to Living Luxuriously for Less, where we celebrate, decorate, and enjoy everyday life for less. Well, today's video is all about celebrating. I finally get to share with you my very own rendition of my celebrity wedding. This wedding took place at the Botanical Garden in Huntsville. It turned out absolutely phenomenal. So before I share this video with you guys, I want to first thank Media Reflections for allowing me to use the footage that they beautifully captured on that day. You guys, please be sure to go and check out their YouTube channel for more inspiration and beautiful weddings. I will leave the link down below. I would also like to thank all of my frienders for the part that you guys played. This would not be possible without you. Thank you, thank you, thank you to all of my frienders and my team. You guys are absolutely phenomenal. I would not be where I am today without you. So without any further ado, let's hop right in.
You are the reason why I make it through. I can't live without you, breathe without you. Hey, you are the only one, yeah, that is true. I can't live without you, breathe without you. Oh, I believe in you and me together, you and me always, forever. Yeah, I promise I'll be there. Oh, I will give you everything, whatever. Turn my back on you, no, never. Yeah, I promise I'll be there.
you got me going on every single beat. It's my heart so deep. Wanna wrap my arms around you, cause you sweep me off my feet. Girl, you know that there ain't nobody moving like you. You know you got me. I love the things you do. Maybe I'm getting into trouble, but I just wanna be your lover. Cause you're making me feel. I love when it feels right. It is just one of these nights. Love so strong, can't be wrong. All because of you. I love when it feels nice. You're the apple of my eye. Love so strong, can't be wrong. All because of you. Cause I love it. Love when it feels right. Ooh, I love when it feels right. Ooh, getting really close. This is how it goes. Opposites attract. Guessing everybody knows. Fire on the floor, sticking out the door. We're just getting started, lady. Now I really want some more. Girl, you know that there ain't nobody moving like you. You know you got me. I love the things you do. Maybe I'm getting into trouble, but I just wanna be your lover. Cause you're making me feel. I love when it feels right. It is just one of these nights. Love so strong, can't be wrong. All because of you. I love when it feels nice. You're the apple of my eye. Love so strong, can't be wrong. All because of you. Cause I love it. Love when it feels right. Oh yeah, I love when it feels right. Love when it feels right. It is just one of these nights. Love when it feels nice. You're the apple of my eye. Won't stop till the daylight. Cause I don't ever wanna leave. I don't wanna leave. It's way beyond bedtime now. I'd give it up on love, but now I believe. Love when it feels right. It's just one of these. Love so strong, can't be wrong. All because of you. I love when it feels nice. I love it in my eyes. Oh yeah. Love so strong, can't be wrong. All because of you. I love when it feels right. So it is just one of these nights. Love so strong, can't be wrong. All because of you. I love when it feels nice. You're the apple of my eye. Love so strong, can't be wrong. All because of you. Cause I love it. Love when it feels right. Love when it feels right. Hey. It's just one of these nights. One of these love when it feels nice. Yeah, the apple of my eye. Love when it feels right. It's just one of these nights. Love when it feels nice. The apple of my eye. Hey, I got to have you, baby. I do. It feels so right, huh? It feels so right. It feels so right.
If you are interested in creating beautiful weddings and making dreams like this come true, definitely come and join us at Lux Academy. We are now both online and in person. We have in-person workshops and courses every quarter, so spring, summer, winter, and fall. And we also have it online, which you can access at any time and start your classes at any time and work at your own pace from the comfort of your home, wherever you are. These classes are certifiable, so once you complete, you will definitely receive a certificate. You will be certified in these areas pending that you pass all of the requirements for the class. So definitely check out my website here, luxacademy.poya.com, for more information. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this wedding as much as I did. Let me know your favorite design aspect or detail aspect down in the comments below. I'll see you guys at the next video. Until next time, it's Melanie with Living Luxuriously for Less. Cheers!